Hello viewers, welcome to another exciting episode of hiking and cooking in the English countryside. It's gonna be wonderful. Like, share and subscribe. Know you're gonna enjoy this one. I'm not telling you what I'm cooking until the end of the video, so you'll have to watch the video to the end. See, it's gonna be lovely though, I know it. As usual, it's gonna be a long walk. Earlier in the day it was much warmer, but now the sun is down and it's a bit, I wouldn't say cold, but because of the wind it's a bit nippy. Yeah. On the top there, I can hear a lot of cars. I don't know what is behind that wall. Very tall wall. Don't know what it is. Possibly, maybe a badger. I want to get on the other side of the river. Tell you, the hiking is good for you, man. If you can, you should just get out there and hike. As long as you're able to do it, you should just try it. Apart from the exercise, it's good for your mental health, man. Let's take your mind away from everything. See that sign there saying danger, keep away. There's a bench over here. I guess you can even sleep here if you want on this bench in the night. You need no more warning. That's enough for you to know to stay away. This place is quiet. I haven't heard anyone for a while. I haven't seen anyone. So it seems like it's me alone in these places. Guess it. Nice for cooking. I won't have to worry about disturbing anyone. I can do my cooking around here. Must be nice for camping. I could put my tent here, right at the side. The water level is very low. I can just imagine how nice it would be. In the night when it's completely dark, and just you alone, listening to the animals and the water, just peaceful and quiet. That's where I'm going to do my cooking now. Yeah. There is the river. It's not big, but still a nice little area. I'm ready now for the cooking. So for today, it's gonna be just vegetables. You know, gonna be like, well, for the West Indians, you'll know what I'm talking about. Roast breadfruit. Yep. And some ackee and, well, no fish, no meat. I don't eat meat, but no fish today. Just roast breadfruit, ackee. And with the ackee, I have a little veg I'm gonna mix with it. Yeah. And this is where I'm gonna start the fire now. So that's the breadfruit. Gonna cut some groove in it. I make an X in it. Allow the steam to get through it much easier. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'll put it on the fire. As usual, I've already washed everything. So that's my sweet pepper, red and green, or bell pepper, tomato. Tomato is very ripe. I'm using the whole tomato. So these provisions, I got them in a market in Brixton, South London. I think I'll add a bit of the video of the market. You need to control yourself. Sorry. now we're gonna put a little bit of oil in the frying pan. My black pepper, thyme, all-purpose seasoning oil, onion, tomato, bell pepper, and everything is getting ready over there. Seems the oil is hot enough now, so I'm gonna transfer the vegetables to the oil. Put my onion first. Already smelling very nice, of course. Just a little bit of the all-purpose seasoning, not too much, because I'll put more in the ackee. So I didn't have the tin opener to open the ackee, so I have to use my knife, but it doesn't matter. It's a small tin of ackee. It's not like I can go and climb a tree. I have no choice, I have to use what I have. Now you don't want to stir the ackee too much, because you don't want it to break. You know, the one in the tin is very soft. Now I put a bit more all-purpose seasoning and a little bit more thyme. Like I say, you don't want to stir that too much. So basically that's it for the ackee already. Birds singing in the background. It's a lovely day, beautiful day. So this video should be ready by Sunday, I would say. Actually maybe not Sunday, because I want to watch that Tyson Fury fight on Saturday night. I'm not too sure what time that fight gonna be, but I guess I'm gonna be up late. If I could edit it by Friday evening, it would be okay. But I'm not too sure. I think I won't be able to do it until maybe Sunday evening. I don't want to make my prediction for the fight. I know what I want. What I want is different from what I think will happen. Yeah, but I hope it's going to be a good fight. I look forward to it. And depending on the mood I'm in, I might just upload the video early Sunday morning if I get enough time. Might not go to sleep, just stay up and edit the video. Now I'm gonna peel breadfruit. very hot, you know, because it just come off the fire. You know, a nice and lovely day, but there is some guys on some trail bikes in the bush here, enjoying themselves. So viewers, as usual, LNT, leave no trace. That's it for the cooking today. Nice and clean as usual. Give you a little view of the river before I go. Wonderful day. Now the cooking is done and I'm about to get going. That doesn't mean the day is over. As you can see, evening, there's still a little bit of sunshine, so I'll be doing a bit more hiking. Sit on the top of a hillside that I see across there and get a few, maybe a few photos and videos. Yeah. But anyway, have a beautiful day. Until we meet again. Oh, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.